All right, here we're running another restock rip here. So we found some stuff over at Target. They finally had, bam, look at that, in stores actually. They have to order them online, and then some of these. So we'll see what we can pull here out of the, obviously we're chasing Wemby, Brandon Miller, even Keontae George, guys like that. This is a pretty good draft class. I think they get overshadowed by, like I said before, by Wembanyama, but yeah, it's overall a good draft class. So we'll see what we can do and see what we can pull out of this. Okay. You guys already know kind of the drill with all these. I think these have the rainbow or the 3-color ones. Yeah, the red, white, blue. So the American Pride's on here. So it looks like these are all over the place now too. So we'll get past some of these base cards obviously and move these to the side. The donation pile. First rookie, Marcus Sasser. We have a green Brandon Ingram. The dominance, cool. Spencer Dinwiddie, if I could get a lot of him. Giannis, that's nice. That sells, so we'll take it. Bobo, it's fun. Karras. Get back into some base here. And I don't think I got any rookies of note other than the, yeah, instant impact here. That's interesting. Oh, nope, I passed one of my rookie cards here in the mix of it. Seth Lundy. So yeah, not a great first run from these. I don't think there'll be a lot of Wembanyama in all this, but you never know. Alright, see if I can find any rookie here. Oh, there we go. I'll take a Brandon Miller emergent. Even non-parallel. Kobe Buffkin instant. Ha! I keep getting Lonzo in these. I got the green Lonzo in this one. Nice. A hollow for the deep space for John Morant. Okay. Not who we're looking for, but it's still a rookie. So I'll take that. Not who we're looking for at all. Tracy McGrady, a classic. Tariq Whitehead. PJ. Yeah, so the rest of these are, yeah, whatever. Austin Rivers not even really there. So, yeah, anyway, we're going to do recap for the Prizm. Get this out of the way. So, that. Rookie cards. I mean, that's kind of the best I got out of this. So, about what you expect from these packs. You barely make your money back at a $15 pack. That's wild. But so be it. So then let me score these real quick. So I had better luck with the Select, and I think this year's Select is probably, for me, the dopest. The cleanest look with having like an artsy style, but also a like a modern art style, which is really cool. So compared to like older Select and stuff like that had like a lot more of the squiggly lines. This has more like symmetrical shapes and stuff like that, like squares and whatnot. Stuff that's a little more, to me, appealing, because I like stuff to be a little more balanced and even. So you'll see as we get into this, and if you go look at all Select, you'll be able to see it and compare. And then try to add this elegance look to it. It kind of look like, I don't know, old worldly style art design and everything, but just not it. As most people believe. I mean, it's still a nice product as far as like, what you consider like a chromed out product, I guess, in a sense. A better card stock like this, like Prizm and everything like that. So chromed out. So you'll take that, but maybe I'll pull a Select out here just so you can see what I'm saying. You should see here it's all symmetrical and nice squares, very clean. Still artsy looking, but a lot more modern. Just Walker, get a lot of him. RJ, DeMar. Nice. Keontae George in the blue with the parallel, the hollow. Fractor, I'll take that. Got my sleeves somewhere over here. There they are. We will definitely take a Keontae. So real quick. Let me see if I have any somewhat close to me here. All right, bear with me, folks. ADHD is kicking in, but we're doing it. We're doing it. We're looking for some old select styles here. There we go. There we go. All right, so we'll go base for base here, right? So, like I said, more artsy, clean but modern style versus, you know, some royal, I don't know if it'd be like imperial style. That's what you're looking at. A lot of people didn't like this, and so I think this is kind of cool. So just so y'all get the comparison. The blue's a little bit brighter too on it. This one's got like a greenish tone undertone to it, so something different from the select style for this year. Kind of a smart year to change stuff up, because you know people are going to chase it and buy it anyway, because whether they like it or not, they like a player in here and Wembys. So that in and of itself will get you moving. I'm sure blasters are harder to hit Wemby. So we'll see. Keldon. Ooh. Yes. I have been Wemby hitting like crazy. This, another one. Oh, man. Let's go. What? Oh my goodness, another Wembanyama. The orange flash. Oh, man, have I been getting Wembys like crazy out here. I got the blue hollow on the last, so. Oh man, I'm getting blessed. So I just pulled this the other day. Let's see if I have it on here. You know, this is the most ADHD video, just so y'all know. This takes the cake. Gotta know where I stuffed it. Anywho, I'll look for it here. But anyway, got the blue hollow version, so, you know, blue hollow, but in the field level. So this is here is the concourse, so that's, you know, not the highest level, but You take Wemby in a flash, even if it's Concourse, that's a win. Regardless, get my top loader out here. I just had it. Anyway, you're in the most ADHD video because that's what Chasing Wemby does, I guess. There we go. That's the highlight. Usually don't have a highlight space like most people do. I don't. So, anyway, that's the highlight for me so far. Obviously, you can't see it because the camera's not going to focus on it. But that's okay. Everything after that is just what it is. Yep, that was right. Hey, LeBron James. These are cool. I think the new Thunder Lanes, I think these are dope. Look like the Flash symbol, or I'm not going to say Black Adam because that's lame, or Shazam because they're lame. Kobe Jones, Jalen Pickett. At least got 2 rookies in this one. JJ and Nick Smith, another rookie. And this is the premier levels, which I think this is a smart design. I said this in another video select that I did for the mega box that I got, to make it look like a movie reel. I think that's really cool. A premiere, like a movie premiere, right? So I think that's kind of cool that that's what this design looks like. So that's a very smart play on things, I think. That's why I say things are more symmetrical. They're very artistic, but in a more modern style. I think that was well executed. So okay, keep going here. Got another Flash. Could I get another Wemby one? Oh, I just looked at it. Kind of Zahami, Ben, another rookie sensation series here. Non-rookie. Oh, Steph though. The Chef. Now that other orange Flash, I might get graded. Looking pretty even. But yeah, Chef Curry and the orange Flash. That's cool. Now, I think the Flash, I didn't really hold up the box. Yeah, okay, so Blaster exclusives were the Flash. Okay. That makes sense. Which is cool that they at least give something unique to each Blaster. So Blaster 1, I gotta get the organized before I open up number 2 here. Definitely winning out. There we go. My boy Franz, they got knocked out. Julian Phillips. There we go. Okay, Scotty and Premier. That's cool. So that's box 1. So to me, sure I got all my worthwhile hits out of here. Obviously, you know, box 1, right? Victor comes in, so it's hard to beat that. So we have a great rookie and a great legend, so that's hard to start on. And then, you know, Keontae 2 to go along with it. A pretty solid box 1. Box 2. I don't have a second stand. So if I do get another hit, that's just too bad. I mean, I have one, but I just don't know where it's at. Okay, got a rookie. Julian Phillips. I feel like I keep getting them in this product. Like, what's going on there? Okay. Box 2, you are not starting off like the like box 1. This Prizm, you did nothing at all, so you were kind of a waste of space. Oh, should be going like this and then flipping it back. So more Jarris, he's everywhere here. Another Julian. Yeah, Zion. That's cool. Struggling to open this. Like, this pack is way better to see. Monty Bates. At least for I'm getting some rooks in this. That's cool. Cavs. Give me a Brandon Miller or something. Kobe J. More Pickett. He's always there. Jaren. Scoot. Okay, and the Lodestar. Put that down there. Scoop. Mitchell, Oliver, Prosper, and rookie Ben Shepherd. Okay. Now we're getting some rookies out of here, so that's cool. Okay, so Jaime again, Ben Shepherd again, and Jalen. Tariq Whitehead. So, for the rookie count of quality rookie count, the card types, box 2 wins. As far as getting the most rookies out of it. As far as getting the biggest hit, though, clearly it's the Wemby, and it's not even close because we didn't really get any massive stuff. I know everybody likes Scoot. Didn't have a great rookie season, but so be it. But yeah, I mean, we got a lot of rookies, just not any of the big hitters for the rookies, right? So, and we got Zion, which is cool. He had a pretty decent year this year. Just got taken out by, injury in the playoffs. Hopefully it's not the Chris Paul trajectory when it comes to that, but yeah. So here we go. Recap box 2 here. So Julian always getting Zion Orange Flash. I might Bates. Select Scoot. Tariq Whitehead, Premier, and Ben Shepherd Orange Flash. Orange Flashes are sick, super dope. But the game winner, without a doubt, Victor Wembanyama Orange Flash. Sweet, thank you for hanging out with Guardian Cards. We appreciate y'all. Did this one under 20 minutes, so that is a new record. But yeah, like, subscribe, all the other good stuff that we normally always say on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Or if not, just watch the video, have fun. I have fun making them regardless. So we'll catch you next time. Peace.